Hi, this is Dave.
And I'm Wally.
We have talked to the building owner, and the building owner has decided that he wants to do a new roof. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a series of core cuts. The reason we're doing the core cuts is to see the makeup of the original roof. We know that this roof is approximately 190 squares. So we say 3 core cuts per 100 squares and 1 core cut for every additional 100 squares. So that on this roof will be a total of 4. When we get on the roof, we look around, we look and see, is the roof tapered? Is it tapered to the drains? Is it tapered outside? How is the original roof constructed? Then we go to the high points and take a cut. We go to a low point and take a cut. If you're on an old BUR roof, you look for waves.
Another thing to remember too is if you have multiple levels.
No, this is true too. Yeah.
Past each level.
We measure from the deck up as we pull out the core cut. That tells us the depth of what we have, and it also tells us how many roofs are on this building. Now, is it not right? Two roofs are pretty much code?
Two roofs got to come off. 2
roofs got to come off. So we're going to do this. We're going to see how many layers we have. We're going to see the makeup of those layers. Is everything wet? Is everything dry?
Wait a minute. I noticed the tools are laying by me.
Yeah, well, it's a highly skilled tool that you have there.
I'm assuming these gloves will not fit your hands.
They won't.
Yeah.
Right here is my outline of the building. We're right here. Trust me, we're right there. And this is going to be where our first one is.
All right. I'm going to cut this membrane back a little bit. So remember, once you do a core cut, you cut into any roof, you own that. So you better be prepared to do any repairs on it, because if you're repairing, maybe the roof's got leaks, maybe it doesn't. Maybe the roof's just time to be replaced. If you cause a leak,
well, another thing, you want to make sure your repair is as good as you can make it, because we'll do this and then we go down and give him a price. The owner may say, "Oh, that's too much money." So you don't want a shoddy repair.
So underneath this PVC membrane, looks like we have ISO.
It's dry.
A core cutter, it is dry. I believe under the deck now.
Ooh.
Ooh, that smells like pitch.
It is. Did they stuff the flutes with?
Oh, what do we got going on here? That's kind of strange.
Well, so do we have steel deck? Wood deck?
Looks like steel deck. And we're about 6 inches.
Wow. Okay. So I'm going to mark on my report here 6 inches.
All right, so this is what our core finally looks like. So right here we have the bottom of our hole. It looks like they mopped maybe a vapor barrier of some sort over top of the metal deck, I would
Possibly.
guess.
I would think. I would hope.
And then they come down and mopped the original roof underneath here. ISO. And then they put a built up or something over top of that.
Well, it smells like pitch, so
Yeah.
It's got to be built up.
Yeah, built up. And then over the years, as the built up roof got replaced, they came in and put ISO on top of that. And then came in with their single ply membrane. So basically we have a nice big sandwich of roofing here. So I've took the plug out, I filled the hole with some caulking, I've shoved the plug back in there, just kind of take up space. I've cleaned the area with some household type cleaner. Then I'm gonna come in with the cleaner, I'm gonna get rid of the soap film and the rest of the dirt. And I'm basically gonna weld patch on it and call it a day.